Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss how to add a text title in Adobe Premiere Pro. We can add a text by type tool, or we can give a command T. So here we can add a text, or if we want to add a text title, we'll simply go to File, New, Legacy Title. We'll click Legacy Title, and if we click Legacy Title, there is a window come up, and we can name it, rename it. After, we can click OK. Here is a window comes up. From here, we will click Type Tool, and we'll add our text. First of all, we'll select a font from font family. Then we'll add the text. We'll select the full text and we can choose a drop shadow from here. Legacy title styles, we can choose any one of the styles. We can change the aspect from here. Also, we can change the position of this text, and we can change the opacity, but we'll remain it to 100%, and we'll change the rotation of here also. Also, we can change height and width. If we click background, so the background will be black or any other color, but we will choose. We can choose a shape. We can create a shape from here, or we can type from vertically. We'll undo this. We can choose other styles, any one of these. There are a lot of legacy title styles here. There are many fonts in Adobe. We can choose small caps. The text will be like this, and if we rotate it or slant it, it will be like this. If we can underline it, and we can choose any color from here, in a text color. When you close it, there you can see in our project panel there is a text title created. We'll simply drag and drop into our timeline, and we'll change the duration of this text title. So that's it for today. We'll meet up with a new topic in next lesson. Stay connected. Thank you.